Why do most traders lose money in the market? Is it because they don't know indicators? Is it because they don't know strategies? Or because they don't know technical analysis? No, most traders lose because they cannot control their emotions. And today, in this video, I want to talk about something that nobody teaches properly in trading. Trading psychology, because the reality is a bad strategy with strong psychology can still make money. But even the best strategy in the world will fail if your mindset is weak. So if you really want to become a profitable trader, watch this video carefully till the end, because this video can completely change the way you look at trading. Trading psychology is simply your emotional and mental behavior while trading. How you react when you take a loss, you miss a trade, you make profit, or when the market moves against you. Most traders think trading is all about charts, but professional traders know trading is mostly about mindset, because the market tests your patience, discipline, emotions, and decision-making every single day. The market doesn't care about your feelings, and that's why many traders panic during losses, become greedy during profits, revenge trade after losing, or overtrade to recover money. This is not a strategy problem. This is a psychology problem. The biggest enemy in trading is not the market. It is you, your emotions, your impatience, your greed, your fear. Many traders enter random trades because they are bored. Some traders increase lot size after one profit, and some traders take revenge trades after one loss. This destroys their account slowly. Let me tell you one thing very clearly. The market will always give opportunities, but emotional traders destroy themselves before opportunities arrive. Professional traders think differently. They focus on probability, risk management, discipline, and consistency. They do not trade to feel excitement. They trade like a business. That is the difference between gambling and professional trading. Fear and greed are the two biggest emotions in trading. Let's talk about fear first. Fear makes traders exit early, avoid good setups, panic sell, or hesitate to take trades because they are scared of losing money. Now let's talk about greed. Greed makes traders hold trades too long, ignore stop loss, take unnecessary entries, and overtrade. And this is dangerous because one emotional decision can destroy weeks of profits. Most beginners think, I need more trades to make more money. But professional traders think, I need high-quality setups. That is a massive difference. Remember this, good trading is boring. Real traders wait patiently. Fake traders need constant action. One of the biggest account killers is revenge trading. This happens when traders lose one trade and immediately try to recover the loss emotionally. So they take random entries, increase quantity, ignore setup quality, and slowly lose even more money. Never trade emotionally, because emotional trading turns smart people into gamblers. Losses are part of trading. Even the best traders lose trades. The goal is not to avoid losses. The goal is to control losses. That's how professionals survive in the market for years. Most traders keep searching for secret indicators, magic strategies, or 100% accuracy systems. But the real secret is discipline. Discipline means following your setup, respecting stop loss, controlling risk, and not forcing trades. A disciplined trader with a simple strategy can outperform emotional traders with advanced strategies, because consistency comes from behavior, not from indicators. The market rewards patience, not excitement. That's why many traders make profits for one day, but cannot survive long term, because they have no discipline. Professional trading is repetitive. You follow rules again and again, without emotions, without ego, without revenge. Social media has damaged trading psychology for many people, because everywhere you see fake profits, luxury lifestyle, huge screenshots, and unrealistic expectations. This creates pressure. People start believing trading is easy money. But reality is completely different. Real trading is slow, stressful, disciplined, and mentally challenging. The market is not a place to become rich overnight. It is a place where emotional people transfer money to disciplined people. Stop comparing your journey with social media traders. Focus on improving your process. Because consistency matters more than one big profit. Now the question is, how do you improve trading psychology? Here are some practical things you can start today. Number 1, use proper risk management. Never risk too much money in one trade. Number 2, accept losses. Losses are normal. Do not take losses personally. Number 3, stop overtrading. More trades do not mean more profits. Number 4, follow one setup consistently. Master one strategy instead of changing strategies daily. Number 5, journal your trades. Write why you entered, why you exited, and what emotions you felt. This improves self-awareness. And number 6, focus on long-term consistency. Do not think about becoming rich quickly. Think about surviving and improving, because trading is a marathon, not a lottery ticket. At the end of the day, trading is less about charts and more about controlling yourself. The market will always test your patience, discipline, and emotions, and the traders who master their psychology are the traders who survive long-term. So stop chasing shortcuts, stop searching for magic indicators, and start working on your mindset, because your psychology decides your future in trading. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with traders who need to hear this message. And comment below, what is the biggest psychological mistake you made in trading? I'll see you in the next video.